Hey y'all, I'm Bethany with the Baratza support team. Today I'm going to be making some espresso beverages using the Sette 270WI and the Breville dual boiler. The Sette 270WI utilizes grind by weight technology, a feature that streamlines bar flow, reduces coffee waste, and helps fine-tune your recipes. Not to mention the ability to grind directly into your portafilter. This grinder also allows you to program 3 preset doses by weight. Once you find a recipe you love, simply install your portafilter and select your desired preset to get started. I'm going to make a shot of espresso and a cappuccino. I'll be using different recipes for each espresso shot to best demonstrate the grind by weight feature, but also to bring out different qualities in the coffee. Today I'll be using Methodical's Pink Lady blend, a blend of a washed and a natural Ethiopian. Alright, let's make some espresso. I've already dialed in my grinder to setting 7D. I really want to achieve more clarity and flavor in the shot, so I'm going to be using a pretty standard 1:2 ratio. My recipe is 18.5 grams in, 37 grams out, in about 26 seconds. I'm going to set my grinder to dose 18.5 grams of coffee and save it. I'll go ahead and place my portafilter, press setting 1, then play to grind. Thanks to the hands-free nature of the Sette, I'll go ahead and purge the group head by briefly holding the manual button, give the tray a wipe, and set up my scale to weigh the output of my shot. I'm going to make sure my brew bed is nice and even by giving the side of the portafilter a little tap. Then I'll tamp my espresso and I'm ready to pull my shot. Alright, I'm going to stir and then taste this espresso. It's really nice. It brings out more of the citrusy notes in this coffee. I'd say it's very vibrant, really tasty. 1:2 ratio. Sweet. Now onto our cappuccino. Since I'll be using milk in this drink, I really want to bring out a more syrupy, fuller bodied quality with this coffee. I'll be using a 1 to a 1.5 ratio, leaning towards a more ristretto style shot of espresso. My recipe is 18 grams in, 29 grams out in about 24 seconds. Using the grind by weight feature eliminates the fuss of dealing with constantly weighing your shot if you end up pulling too little or too much coffee into the portafilter. Switching between doses is easy and your hands are free to prep. Every second counts, especially when you have a long line of cranky family members waiting for their morning coffee. Trust me, I've been there. Go ahead and level your brew bed, tamp and install the portafilter. Press the manual button to start brewing. Now onto our milk. I've prepped about 4 ounces of cold milk into my pitcher. Here's a quick tip. Activate the steam wand and purge a little. This eliminates any leftover milk that could be sitting in the wand. Steaming milk can be intimidating at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Steam your milk for about 3 to 4 seconds to aerate it and achieve the right consistency. Once you're done steaming, tap your pitcher on the counter to remove any air bubbles and swirl to incorporate the milk. Then pour your favorite design into your espresso. Now onto the best part, tasting our cappuccino. Oh, that's so good. It's creamy from the milk, but you're getting more of like that chocolate covered strawberry kind of flavor from the specific recipe with this espresso. Really delicious with milk. How easy was that? With the Sette 270WI, you can always adjust your preset doses with the touch of a button. If for whatever reason you need to add a little more coffee to your portafilter after dosing, you can always hold down the play button for a few seconds to enter pulse mode. However you enjoy your coffee, the Sette 270WI can help you elevate the flavor in your cup and streamline your routine. Thanks for watching!